Because they do a civil.
Well, you have confirmed now that we put up a very strong show in Anambra State. I can assure you that I have already congratulated ABGA and Governor Solubo elect. And I've told you before that we had rebranded before, and we are re-strategizing and re-engineering our mechanism for winning 2023 election. And that is what we're doing. You can see the recent concluded convention of the PDP, how peaceful it was. And clearly, it shows that we are prepared to take over the mantle of leadership in 2023. It is not just in Anambra State. Right here in Benue State, you see the number of people and the caliber of people that have decamped from APC and other political parties and joined the PDP. Already, we had over 70% of control in Benue State, but more people have added to PDP in Benue State. So it's a clear sign that our party is ready. Well, for the amended electoral law, some of us never supported direct primaries because it will create more problems that we ever envisage, and it is more expensive to do direct primaries. But that notwithstanding, if it becomes law, we'll adjust to it and re-strategize to ensure that we capture power. Even through that, we'll try as much as possible to bring people on board that have credibility, have integrity, people that are people-oriented, and people who have the grassroots support to ensure that we win 2023. We are very, very committed. And I believe that with the outing in Anambra State, the PDP's outing, I believe that we shall also be prepared to ensure we have the other elections that will come up, National Assembly and House of Assembly and so on.
Your Excellency.
No, sorry, sir. Lunch, please.
Okay, Your Excellency, you are on record as one of the governors who have created and is sustaining a cordial working relationship with the various industrial unions in the state. Just yesterday, a document came circulating purportedly from the NSC that they are giving the administration 21 days ultimatum to clear arrears of salaries. Otherwise, they will not guarantee industrial harmony in Ilorin. How would you react to this?
Well, for me, nothing is hidden. At the local government level, the industrial union are part of the sharing meeting that is held every month. So they know what comes in and what goes out. At the state level, we're always disposed to make available documents as relates to the allocation we receive and the IGR that comes in. And that has been my policy. And you will recall that since then, we have not had any issue with industrial union in the state. And we intend to maintain it. It is not my making. I inherited this. Everyone should know that I inherited over 70 billion arrears of salary, pension, and gratuity. This is a problem. We have been challenged. I inherited it. Salary have ever been a problem right from Aperiku days to date. Where the days of Akume, the days of Suswam, and my days. So it is something that we have to look at better ways of earning more money to pay. And of course, I still remind you that Benue State is paying the highest salary in this country. We are number 3 in paying the highest salary in this country. So that has been a problem. But that notwithstanding, we'll still engage them and discuss. If there are any issues, I believe that we'll be able to resolve them.
Your Excellency, sir.
Yeah.
I'd like to find out from you. The Federal High Court had vacated for 2 weeks the garnish order over the 333 million naira debt owed Anchor. Now that you have the window are you offsetting that bill to also have the opportunity to pay salary, like they have said, has been the reason why salary has not been paid? Now also you have a new BRS chairman. How will you push through all of these challenges at the same time?
Well, that is where we are. You will recall that the Federal High Court, Abuja, frozen the account, not just garnishi, it was frozen. But now that they had to release some of the accounts based on our inability to pay salaries and carry out government activities, we are already working on efforts. But I want to remind you that it was not just the Federal High Court on account of AMCON litigation against us. Apart from the Federal High Court, there is another Abuja FCT court that also frozen the accounts of all governments. The case is coming up tomorrow. Is it tomorrow or Friday?
Friday.
It's coming up on Friday. So I believe that that one too, the judge will reason with us to lift the garnishi. Otherwise, there too we have problems, because while we're able to succeed in relieving that of the High Court, we still have the problem with the Federal High Court. So this is the challenge we have, and where we are, we'll continue to work together, and that is one of the things that we have to restructure, and we're going to do more. We're going to work with BIRS to ensure that our internally generated revenue base is upgraded and lifted, because we can't run to any other place.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.